Hello, Mrs. Beth here with your instructions for today. Welcome back. I hope you're doing good and you are rested. I rested a little bit, so I feel a lot better. Here we go. This is our class plan for today. You're gonna find, as usual, report your attendance here, and you're gonna find your instructional video right there, the one that I'm recording right now. And then you're going to your Actividad Inicial. So you click in this photo, and I put a whole bunch of words there that you need to put in order in a sentence. So keep in mind when to use your definite article, when to use your indefinite article, where goes the adjective, etc., so you can write it right. I recommend you not to look at the other ones because sometimes you just copy the answer that the other one did, and then everybody has the same answer, and then they are wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna give you points if it's correct. So please do it right. Okay, now we have this Actividad 1B-7, and you're gonna use this chart. I put the chart on a Google Doc. So with these words that you have here, you're going to build 10 sentences. Now you see that you have only 6 subjects. That means yes, you can repeat the subject, and you have verbs. Things to keep in mind. This soy goes only with the first person. And you remember the first person is yo. So you can use soy only with yo. And then eres goes with the second person only. That's tú. So you're going to use eres only with tú. So yo soy, tú eres. And then everything else that is third person will go with es. Okay, keep that in mind. Do not say yo eres because that's incorrect. You want to use your verbs in the right way. Okay, so you're going to build 10 sentences. You have indefinite articles plus nouns here and adjectives. I'll be there to help you. You want me to look at your sentences before you submit, so they are right. And those are going to be in the space that I provide here, the text entry box. So you just type your 10 sentences right there. So that's one thing that you're doing. Then it says complete the summary for the chapter 1B. So I made this form, Google form, that you are going to complete with the, let's see how we move on this one. This is what you're gonna do with, you're gonna write 5 words that describe you. That means adjectives that describe yourself. Now you are boy, oh, I forgot one thing here. Let me just, well, I'll fix it. Your name, that's important. So words that describe you. So remember, you are a girl, you're going to use adjectives that describe in the feminine form. And then words that describe my friend, that's whoever you choose. You choose a boy or a girl, then you use your 5 adjectives. And then words to ask what someone is like, you can find those in your vocabulary. And then words to tell what I am like, and that you can find in the vocabulary. So that's the other part. I apologize for the background noise. There are a lot of people moving around my house. And let's click next here. All right, these ones you just need to complete. You're gonna complete, so you will have to complete the sentences. I will be connected if you have doubts on how to do this, so we can complete it. And that's all. So you are going to, number 1, complete your actividad inicial. That's one thing that you had to do. Then number 2, you're going to type your 10 sentences using the chart. And then number 3, you're going to complete the Google form. And then for the time that we have left, we're going to play the Quizlet. So we are going to do a quick review of the vocabulary 4, and then we're going to play the Quizlet. And I think that's all for now. I'll see you during class. Hasta luego.